Make sure to watch this video before the price counter open, otherwise you will lose your prize. So here we'll cover some important, the most important, some not most important thing in the price counter you need to take care. But before we start, make sure to subscribe the channel and do like the video. So now let me open my notepad. So now let's get started. Okay, so here the prize email will be out very soon from today till 14th of January. Anytime you can expect the prize email. We have already updated this multiple times in the channel through our posts also. So here what important thing I'm talking about. So like many people just share the screenshot of the Arcade Insider. You can also see many people have shared the Arcade Insider email screenshot. So there is no issue in sharing the Arcade Insider email like you have posted in LinkedIn also. But prize email is a sensitive thing. Okay, prize email is a very sensitive thing. It contains a unique order URL. Like every participant will be having their unique URL. It won't be same for every participant. Like many people, what they do, they share the URL directly. Let me give you an example. For example, they'll share the screenshot that I have achieved legend tire, and at the top, like you are seeing this URL, sometimes they open the link and share the screenshot openly. Then sometimes some mischievous people will just copy the link or just convert it from text to image, I mean image to text or text to image, whatever is available there, and they will place the order. In such cases, even though you have 95 points or even though you have achieved any tier, you won't be eligible for the swags because someone have used your link and code. Okay, so whenever the price counter is opening, stay tuned. Wait for our video. When the video will be released, don't worry, everyone will be getting the swag. So wait for the video, then only place the order. Do not share your email screenshot to anyone whosoever is trying to represent me or any other YouTuber or any other community member. And if you are facing issue, basically what will happen, the whenever the price counter opens, the site lags. If you have just participated in any competitive exam or just use any government website, whenever the results are announced, okay, the site slows down and site source 502 gateway not found, etc. Some error codes are shown over there. Similarly, they will take the advantage of your innocence. Here people will, what they do, they will ask to exchange. Like if you have achieved say novice tier, they'll give you some kind of greed, like I want to exchange for trooper tire. Don't share. Okay, some will say that if you are facing issue from my end, the website is working, don't share. Some will say your account will be getting banned if you have used any tutorial. Don't share. See, first wait for our video, which will be released very soon when the price counter will be open. Okay, we'll go live also to help you claim your prizes. But do not share your email, your details, anyone. For the sake of prizes. Prizes will be awarded to everyone if you have achieved any milestone. Even if you have 25 points, you'll be eligible for the novice tier. You must be knowing by then. This is video is only for the 2025 participant, but it will help you if you are watching from 2026 cohort participants also. Now, do not share the email. A detailed guide will be live very soon, how to claim the prizes, and all the details will be covered over there, like when we'll be getting the prizes and all the things. As of now, this was an informative video because I know many people did the mistake in the Arcade Insider, although it was not a big issue in the Insider email, but the prize email is very sensitive. I am repeating, do not share this email with anyone. You can just update me on my Telegram channel, you can message me, or you can just comment down in any video that we have started receiving the price counter email. Please make a video. I'll make a dedicated video. Do not worry, it's time to stay safe and play safe. Thank you guys. Do like the video and subscribe the channel. And if you are participating in cohort 1 of the 2026, you have to just check the playlist description. And here I have shared all the guides. Okay, you can see how to just start your journey for the Arcade cohort 1. You can clearly see here is the playlist. You can just watch all the videos and complete the challenge without any issue. So thank you. Goodbye. Have a great day. Play safe.